Hello students, today we are going to see a poem. The poem is in Unit 6. The poem topic name is The Comet. It was written by Norman Littleford. Comet, it was written by Norman Littleford and it was a memory poem. So, you should study well. Okay? It was a memory poem, Comet by Norman Littleford. Okay, let's see about Littleford. Norman Littleford, 18 May 1889 to 20 May 1947, was an American poet born in Maryland, USA. Most of his works focused on life and nature. His poems are simple but deep in thought and provoke the readers to observe the ideas beyond the usual. So he was born in 18 May 1889 and died in 20 May 1947. And also he was an American poet born in Maryland, USA, and most of his works are mainly on the life and nature. So he likes nature very much, and also his poems are focused in life and nature, and also his poems are very simple. This Comet poem also in very simple, and also it made us readers to provoke himself. நமக்கு தூண்டும் to observe the ideas beyond the usual. அதாவது நார்மல் லைஃப்பை விட இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஒரு ஸ்டெப் மேலே நம்மளை வந்து திங்க் பண்ண தூண்டுறதா ப்ரொவோக் பண்ணுறதா அந்த பொயட்டோட நார்மல் லிட்டில்ஃபோர்ட் பொயட்டோட poems இருக்கும். So let's see about poem. It was a memory poem, so listen carefully. Rampaging through the heavens, never stopping day or night, a spectacle of a lifetime, a comet in full flight. Once again I read it. Rampaging through the heavens, never stopping day or night, a spectacle of a lifetime, a comet in full flight. So, you all know what is comet. Comet is another. We used to say in Tamil, Val Nachatram. So, that is comet. So, it is flying through the heavens. அதாவது அது வந்து heaven வழியா போகுது, அதாவது அப்படி போகுது. Never stopping. It doesn't stop her travel day or night, whether it is day or night, but it does not stop his travel. And it was a spectacle of lifetime, a comet in full flight. So spectacle of lifetime means lifetimeல நம்ம பார்க்க முடியாத ஒரு அழகு, அதுதான் spectacle of a lifetime. So அப்படி ஒரு அழகா அது வந்து போகுது. So it was flying through the heavens, and also it doesn't stop day and night. Whether it is day, it doesn't stop. Whether it is night, it doesn't stop. And also it looks like a spectacle of a lifetime. Appadi adu oru beautiful. Then second stanza. Faster than a cheetah, with a tail that smiles long, bigger than a mountain, so powerful and strong. Once again I read it. Faster than a cheetah, with a tail that smiles long, bigger than a mountain, so powerful and strong. So it was faster than a cheetah. Cheetah was the fastest animal, but than cheetah விட ஃபாஸ்டா வந்து comet மூவ் பண்ணுது. And also அதோட tail வந்து miles longல இருக்கு. Miles means ரொம்ப லாங்கா இருக்கிறது. So its tails look like miles long, and also it looks like bigger than a mountain and so powerful and strong. The comet was bigger than a mountain. Mountain விட பெருசாவும், and also so powerful, ரொம்ப very very strong and powerful இந்த comet இருக்குது. Then third stanza. The outer ice is melting, causing vapor from the force, and leaves a trail behind it, and it travels on its course. Then the outer ice வந்து melt ஆகுது. So the ice is melting, and also vapor comes. Vapor means அந்த ஆவி வருது. So outer ice is also melting, and it vapor comes. So we can can see the comet clearly because of the vapor outrise and the vapor coming. And it also travels, but it travels. அதோட வேலையை பார்க்கறது மாதிரி அது வந்து travel பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருக்குது. If one should come too close to Earth, the atmosphere will shake with a shock wave reaching to the ground, causing the land to crack. So, if one, ஏதாவது ஒரு things வந்து நம்ம எர்த் மேல மோதுச்சுன்னா it may cause quakes, shaking, etc. So, நமக்கே தெரியும் நம்ம எர்த் மேல ஏதாவது ஒன்று மோதுச்சுன்னா it cause problems to us human beings. So, அதுதான் இங்க அவர் சொல்லியிருக்காரு. It can also cause a quake also. Scientists say the chemicals in the dust they leave behind could have started life on the earth which resulted in mankind. So, scientists what அவங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா chemicals, this type of chemicals and dusters எல்லாமே சேர்ந்து ஒரு வந்து லைஃப் இங்க ஸ்டார்ட் ஆச்சு. திஸ் டைப் ஆஃப் இந்த மாதிரிப்பட்ட நிறைய கெமிக்கல்ஸ் சேர்ந்து தான் லைஃப் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆச்சு. அண்ட் தென் இட் பிகேம் எ மேன்கைண்ட். ஸோ லேட்டர் இது வந்து ஒரு மனித குலம், மேன்கைண்ட் மீன்ஸ் மனித குலமா வளர்ந்தது அப்படின்னு சயின்டிஸ்ட் சொல்றாங்க. I cannot say if this is true. I do not have the right, but I know no better spectacle than a comet in full light. So I cannot say this is true. என்னால சொல்ல முடியாது. I cannot say என்னால முடியாது. இது ட்ரூ நான் சொல்ல முடியாது. But I know this was the better spectacle. But the comet was the better beautiful thing in the world. So he does not say that whether it is true or right, but the comet was the better beautiful thing in the world. So the poem is over and it was a memory poem. So dear students, study well. Okay students, thank you.